Sydney, what you got?
Hey YouTube, where y'all been? Look y'all, check this out. We got this custom grill from Roadworks. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Wow.
Is it shiny?
Yeah, it's upside down, but check this out.
Woo!
Look at that. We're gonna put this on Michael Talley's truck. Clifford's a big red dog. Y'all seen this truck before. We're gonna put this on, and then we're gonna do some other things. T-bar, custom T-bar, also from Roadworks. And let's get to work. See how it looks. All right, so the first thing we got to do is get this old one out. Luckily, he just got a couple, looks like 7/16 bolts. So let's open the hood and get it off here.
No, looks like it's gonna go over straight on with it.
So it looks like we got pretty lucky and we don't have to have anybody on the inside just yet. So I'm gonna zip these out real quick. I'm gonna take a nap while I'm down here. Don't tell my boss. She might get mad at me. Matt, look on the inside and look at these two, see if that's actually holding the grill or not.
Well, you don't want it to like fall out and land on you?
Yeah.
Those two are not.
They're not?
No, sir.
Okay. Alright, so we just need to close the hood and grab these ones on the bottom, but everything else. Oh geez, I don't know. Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to get on the inside and drop the bars. Is that gonna loose the whole emblem?
You mean is it gonna fall and hit you in the face?
Yes.
Probably.
I don't know, let's find out.
Pull it out.
All right. All right.
You didn't have it, man.
Go here. All right. Go ahead, go with both of them.
Go ahead, close it all the way. See if I can. Okay. Now this, we're going to save this. All right, I'm sitting here looking at this. All these holes are square, which means the carriage heads are going to sit on the outside. So this, the other grill was behind on the inside. This one's going to sit on the outside. And so we have a few things we have to contend with. There's a separation here. There's about an 1/8 or a 1/16 of an inch gap in between these two pieces. I'm concerned about this gap right here, but I believe overall once we get it on there, it's going to try to hide it. And one other thing is getting the new grill behind this emblem right here. I don't think there's enough room, but we're going to have to get it in there and see. And because it's got to come all the way up pretty much that line right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to test fit it without scratching it, with some help from my compadre. And then we're going to test fit it. I'm going to pull it off. We're going to get not all of this peeled off because we want to preserve as much of it as possible without getting our fingerprints on it or whatever. So we're basically going to take this off right here, the film off right here for the emblem around all the bolt holes, and probably go ahead and do it down at the bottom. So if you want to give me a hand, we're going to just test fit it. We got to get it behind this emblem right here and try to get all these lined up, and then we'll see what it looks like, see if we have enough room to get it up, because we may end up having to do some modifications to either the truck or this grill. So, yep. Okay. So
Looking pretty good there.
see, all the holes seem to line up. That actually fits a lot better than what I initially thought. We do have a little bit of wiggle room left and right. The holes aren't exactly lining up, but once we get started, I think this is going to be a nice looking grill. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and pull it off. We're going to peel some of this film off, and we're going to open the hood back up. I'm going to get back on my creeper, and we'll start getting bolts put in and see how it goes. What I'm going to try to do is, these are plenty long enough. These are going to sit in here like this, right? And then on the inside, I'm going to go ahead, put my washer and my nut on there, right? And then what I'm going to do after that, I'm going to put another washer, the screen,
So you don't
another washer on top of that, and a nut. So that way, if you want to get a new screen or have this one fixed, or however you want to do that, all we got to do is pull a few nuts off and replace this without having to loose all this, and that way all this will stay secure, and you can just change this out.
What you doing, Maddie?
Oh, pulling a little coating off here. Try to preserve our grill here as much as we can without scratching it up.
We gotta close it.
I can do that. Whoa. How far you want to go?
I just gotta close it just to be able to slide it back in there, and then we'll open it back up. All right, let me play by.
Question, how many grown men does it take to put one grill in?
Actually, I'm a kid in the past. So.
Yeah, that's true.
If you ask my wife, I'm a kid too.
You are a kid.
All right, you'll have to open it all the way up.
Open it?
Yeah.
Open or close?
Open it. Or, yeah, no, close it. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah?
Yeah.
I got it down here.
Okay. I had to double. Actually, you kept telling me to close.
I know.
And I'm like, I don't think you want to go that way.
It's gonna work.
Okay folks, our air compressor kicked on at this point while we were filming. They're putting some tape over these bolts. They had to insert the bolts before they open the hood to make sure there's room, because once the hood is open you can't reach up in there and stick a bolt in. And then of course the tape is to keep the bolts from falling back out when they open the hood.
Hey, now it's stopped.
Wonderful, thanks compressor.
We're going to get these last two taped in there, and then we're going to open it up, and we're going to start from the top and work our way down. After we get all of these in there tightened up, we're going to come back and we got to drill these two holes and put bolts in there and put the screen on the back. Should go fairly simple. Should go. Famous last words.
Sydney, I can see you.
No, you can't. Oh, hey! Hey, YouTube! I miss you guys so much.
You got a 7/16 in there?
No,
I get
don't
comments
have
all the time. Where's that old guy?
Yeah, that old guy with the awesome beard and the.
He's so wise
And
and
the
sagacious. Hey, brother. Hi.
Oh, I love it when it comes together.
This is making me dizzy.
I'm working upside down here. Hold on.
Yeah. I'm watching you out of the corner of my eye at one angle, and then through the camera at a different angle.
The angle was the angle of the angle.
It was a cute.
Nerd joke.
Not yet. You want to do the bottom?
Alright, get these two tightened.
All right. You got your wrench?
I do.
All right, driver's side.
Oh, let me get my wrench on it first. Alright,
Passenger side.
hang on. Alright. Oh.
It seemed to pull it up flush.
Which one did you? This one right here?
Yeah.
Nope.
No?
Loosen it. Another tool.
Oh wait, show me the wee tool.
See how it fits in there?
Mm-hmm. Man, you sure got a nice boss to get you all these new tools.
I know, right?
I bet she's pretty sometimes.
Sometimes.
I bet her hair looks nice.
Her hair always looks nice. Where are we at? Okay. Let me see. Alright, try it again. Oh,
Back it off.
nope.
Ready?
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Alright.
Right there?
Yeah.
Hold right, what you got?
Oh. Merry Christmas.
You like it?
Whoa. We got a problem.
What?
Let it down some. The tape got caught behind it. Alright, turn it and pull up on it. Alright. Oh. Alright. Alright.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh. Alright, what about the corners?
And I got a nut on it. It just ain't covered very good.
Alright.
Hold on, let me change the nuts. Just make I'm doing it quite right like I want to. That was just going to turn. You got to hold it.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
What it? Back it off.
No. Bump it. Come on. see that? Hit it again. Come on. Oh. It didn't quite come up all the way, but it started to turn on us. Hit it again. Do it again. Alright. Oh!
Alright, what's going on?
Alright, we got all the bolts in place. I just need to get a drill bit. Probably a 1/4 inch bit will do it. Drill these 2 holes out. Put these in there. Then what I'm going to do before I get the screen in there, I'm going to close it. Look at everything, make sure there's no final adjustments that need to be made, make sure everything stayed square. And then we're going to open it up and put the mesh insert in. But for right now, we're going to leave it like this. And like I said, I'm going to drill these out, get these 2 bolts in here, and then, like I said, we'll close it and make sure we don't need to make any final adjustments. Alright, so we got all the hardware tight, got these holes drilled. Everything's looking pretty good. Everything's all squared up, so it looks like no adjustments are needed. So, like I said, everything looks good. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go ahead and open it up and put a couple washers on the back side of here, on these 4 right here, and then some bolts, and we're going to get the back screen back on there.
All right. We now have the mesh screen installed, and now we're ready to pull the film coating off of it.
Yay!
Oh, he'll be crying again.
Everybody's favorite part.
You do realize nobody likes to do this. Nobody.